Okay, I got this piece of sycamore here cut out on the front, and check out that back, guys. Yeah, that's pretty. So I got it cut out, big old thick piece. I'm gonna mark it out. I'm gonna hollow out this side and make it really kind of lightweight and thin, so see what I can do to get it lightened up. So I'm gonna throw it on the scale first before I start, see what it weighs, and then we're gonna take as much weight out of it as we can, because I got the outside shape what I want. So let's spin around here and get us a weight. Y'all ready? Let's go on. That is 7 pounds 4 ounces. Holy smoke. Let's take it and lighten this sucker up because it's way too heavy. Okay, I got this Melody Maker template and I've got this guitar, and I want to lighten it up just as much as I possibly can. And on this outside edge, I only need about 3/8 of an inch to go around the outside, and that's probably too much, but I don't want to get too crazy till I figure this out. Okay, so I think I'm going to leave everything in the neck block for now, so I'm not going to take anything out up here. So up here to the neck block, I'm going to leave all this in back to here. So I'm going to leave all this back into here. Okay, that's got to stay. And then I want to leave in a block of material where the bridge is going to go. So that's going to be right there. So I'm just going to hold my finger right there to get me in the neighborhood. Y'all seen the way I done that, right? Now let's look to see what we got. See if that's close. That's real close to lined up right with it. So we're going to want to make a block in here like this of this. We're going to draw some straight lines, but that's the general line. We need a block for the bridge to set in, and it needs to be wider than I got it right now. So let's go ahead and go a little wider. Let's see. Yeah, that's giving me plenty of room to work with right there. And we can always take more out, but we can't put it back. Y'all know how that works, right? Okay, so if we leave that in right there, and we can use that to put the bridge on, the next thing I need to do is I need to go around the outside of this thing and give me a line to go to. And I'm going to take out pretty much everything that's here now. So I need to get something here to get me a mark with. So let me find something to use to... You know, I got an idea. What if we took this, okay, and we laid it up here like this. Okay, now on this side, if we come around here and get us a line, we just line that up and get that kind of like a really nice reveal that all matches. Go to there, and then we'll move that and go from here to here. I need a shorter one. There we go. Got it. Now we're not going to touch any of this, and we're not going to touch any of that, but we're going to take out the rest of this, but only going to leave some bracing in it. So let's figure out some kind of bracing system to put in here. See, why don't we could X brace it all the way across it. What you think? Think we ought to add one more brace up here at the front? What you thinking, guys? Talk to me. Tell me what you think. What do you think? What am I thinking? Heck, I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, I'm leaving this in. I'm taking all this, all this, all this, all this, and all this all out. So let me get a marker. Let me get a pencil and show what I'm going to do so it'll be easier for me to do it. I think what I want to do is I want to mark the stuff that I'm not going to cut. I'm leaving this in the bottom here just so I can make sure this neck's big, and I can always shape back and take off whatever I don't want. But if I don't take any off, I don't have to worry about hollowing into my hand. Okay, so that's my idea there. Let's just go drill some holes and lighten this sucker up. 7 pounds 4 ounces right now, right? Let's see what we can do to it. Hey guys, Spike here, and I'm moved over into the shop. We're going to take the old Total shop, set up in drill press mode. We're going to take a whole bunch of this material out of this guitar so we don't have to route it, because, well, y'all know what routing is on this sycamore. This stuff is tough. Hey guys, Spike here. Look at how beautiful that piece of sycamore is on the back, guys. Look at that. I'm loving it. This little pattern I drew out on the front, that's bracing I'm going to leave in, put it in the bottom. It's going to be short, but it's bracing. And right now I'm going to leave it in to make it easier to route. I put in a small bit because I'm going to do all my inside, my corners in here with it. And then that way I can go to a bigger bit to do more parts of the other. But first thing I got to do is set the depth so we don't go through the bottom of this guitar. So let's go down here, and we're going to set it about right there. That'll give us 3/8 of an inch or so. Now this is my depth stop that sits on this old Total shopper. You turn this thing around till it hits a stop. Do that, and then that. See? Bam. Check it out. Here you go. Reese. We got her right there. There we go. There's your shot. Now we're going to leave there, so that gives us plenty of room not to go through the bottom of this guitar, and we can do the rest of it with a router. Make it real pretty. So that's what I'm going to set you up and do. Okay. Okay, folks, I took one of these video lights that I use for my videoing around the shop and stick it on a magnet right there. It's magnetic on its own, but I stick it on there and a little stronger magnet to help it stay. Y'all see how that did is as far as we can go. So we're going to loosen the quill up, let it go here so we can get the guitar in. And I think I'm just going to start here and just work my way around, guys. And I'm just going to put my glasses on for safety. And I'm going to drill my inside corners first, all the way around this guitar, and make sure I'm staying off my bracing. And I'm always can go back and let the router do a lot more. You know what I'm saying? So let me just let it sit right there a second. Right here, turn it on. Here we go. You know what's nice about this drill press? That right there. I can move all the way over there and not have to go crazy. Put some stuff down. This is the way it works, guys. The old Total shop's got a handle about that long. It's killing my hand. And it's not very comfortable. So I went out to the scrap pile, as I always do. And I found this piece of pool pipe that we used to have to clean the pool with before we got a new one. So it's getting to get made into an auxiliary handle for the drill press. Nope, only got one set. Better put them on. Alright, got that. And we're going to take this file and deburr it so it won't stir up our handle. see if we can get a little bit of leverage and start having to make that arm hurt so bad. When you get to be an old man, you don't want to do things like that anymore. You want to do it easy. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, now we got a handle. Now I got something to hold on to. Yeah, I can live with that. Let's go. Oh man, that's a lot better for me. Okay, folks, I'm down in it where I think I want to be, and we're going to check it. We may decide to cut it some more, but I've got to talk to some people first and get some advice from people that know more than I do, okay? So I'm 11 millimeters thick right now. It's time to finish up the night. It's Thanksgiving. I spent my Thanksgiving out here, well, making this. So far, that's where I'm at. I'm going to knock it off for the night. The Melody Maker Acoustisonic is what we're making. So I'm going to use this piece of sycamore, and we're going to run it. And we're going to resaw this ambrosia maple and layer it on the top. And that should work fine because I'm leaving a block in here for my bridge to set on, to mount the bridge on. So should be in good shape there. I'm thinking a wraparound might look good on it, really. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, that's the plan, and that'll be the end of this video. So y'all do me a favor if you watch this sucker and watched any of it. Give me your ideas and tell me what you think, and you know, how deep should I leave these sides?